today's look. I used 3 colors from the Avocado Toast by BH Cosmetic. This is in my Shop My Stash for September. So far, those colors are blendable. They work really nice together. Even on my puffy hooded eyes, they are really nice. Today's encouraging, inspirational word is trapped. Are you trapped in a decision that you made a long time ago, or maybe just recently, and you think that you can't get out of it? Are you trapped in a choice that you made and you think that's it, you cannot get out? You can get out. Think it over, find the pros and cons. Think of how you can untrap yourself in any situation or any given choice that you made. Everything in life is temporary, including life itself. Don't stay trapped in something that no longer works for you. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I simply make up a saying to go out there and have a fabulous time. Bye!